Hi and welcome to YPS. I'm Sam.
And I'm Andy.
And in this video we're going to look at a recent job where we updated a customer's shower room. So then Andy, what did the customer want from this particular makeover?
Well, they said they wanted to achieve a nice contemporary and natural look to the new downstairs shower room. They wanted to make it look more spacious. So what better way? Let's take a look at the room before the work started.
Yep, let's have a look. I see what you mean. So how would you describe that room before the makeover?
Well, the tiles were a bit dark and dated. There was ugly boxing in going on in the corner of the room, running along the floor behind the basin. The mirror, the shaver light, just looked a bit out of place, to be honest, needed updating.
So how would you say we improved the room in that makeover?
Well, let's ask the designer, Michelle.
Yeah, let's.
We used large format cashmere wall tiles with a matching floor tile, which gave the room an open and fresh look. Also, building out the boxing in enabled us to conceal the pipework and the conceal cistern. Using a wall-hung pan and basin and vanity unit added a feeling of space to the room. And we finished off with a wall-mounted basin tap, giving the basin area a clear and spacious look.